Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Make Money Today. I'm Mo.
I'm Zach.
And in today's video, we're going to show you guys how to do a amazing one product store that makes millions.
And if you do enjoy the content that we're giving you guys, like this free template, I don't know of anybody else that's ever offered a free template. All the hard work's already been done to you. So if you do enjoy the content, the information that we're giving you, and just what we're trying to do by giving you one step forward into the direction of making a successful online business, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button. And if you have any ideas of things that you want to learn or things that you want to see in future videos, go ahead and drop that in the comment below. And tell us what you think about the template and the video in general. What we're going to do today is show you how to create a one product branded store. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your domain name and your store name. All right, so on your store name, your domain name needs to be personalized to the product that you're selling. So it needs to sound like it's branded to that product. So we've got here. All right, so this is in Shopify where we're going to register and search for a domain name. So we have a shower head that we are going to use for this store. So what we'll do is, we'll kind of look up shower. So, when I think shower, I think water. For water, Hydra is, and you can see this is the name that we've chose here. So Hydra shower is that's a name that's personalized to the product. And I don't expect you guys to think of a name right off the bat. It may take a little bit of time, but you can use this to search. So if I just type in shower and search here, so it's going to pull up some options here, and then you can go down here and it'll actually show you some alternative domain names, and this kind of gives you an idea of different words that you can add to your branded domain name, right? And so we've come up with Hydra shower. All right, so we're going to search that. All right, so it's unavailable. We actually bought this domain name for this store. We wanted to make sure that we got it. So once you find your domain name, what you're going to want to do is go to Start Free Trial, right? And your email address, you want to set up your email address with the same domain name, so make sure that you kind of verify those together. All right, so once you get to this step, what you're going to do is you're going to put in your email address for it, and then you'll set up a password and store name, which of course you've already picked, and you're going to use your domain name as your store name. So Hydra Shower is going to be the name of our store, so we put that in and hit create your store. So obviously we've already created this store. All right, so we do have a video that we are in the works of at the moment that will actually go into step by step, every single step that you have to take in creating a Shopify store. But we are going into this with the idea that you've already been involved in dropshipping. So once you get into your store, what you're going to do is you'll go down here to where it says online store. All right, then you're going to go to domains. All right, and buy new domain. All right, so once you click that, you'll go into you'll put in the domain that you have chosen that was available. You'll type that in, and you're going to then purchase that domain. It's $14 a year, so shouldn't break any banks or anything. It's actually really cheap for the domains. So you'll purchase that, and of course you can see we've already got ours purchased here, connected, and it's going to ask you to verify that domain in your email. Make sure that you go ahead and knock that out. After 14 days, you could lose the rights to your domain if you don't verify that in time. All right, so now the next step that you're going to want to do, because of course we need to design our website now. So we use the best Shopify theme out there. So the theme that we use is Debutify. I mean, it's really easy, simple to use. It's very user friendly. All of our stores use it, and it's definitely one that I think you will really like as well. So what you're going to want to do is you'll go to Debutify.com. Right, or you can type it in Google. If you're interested in using Debutify, so we do have a link down below in our description. Click that link there and you can download it for free. All right, so once you get to Debutify, you're gonna click try Debutify for free. All right, so you're gonna fill in your information here. Once you put that email in, then you're gonna click next, and you'll then take your Shopify domain. So very simple to get. Copy and paste this part of your domain straight into here. All right, so once you put that in, so then you're gonna hit try Debutify for free.
All right, guys, thanks to Zach. Now you guys have picked an awesome domain for your one product store. You have installed your Shopify plan, and you guys got the most amazing theme now installed on your store, Debutify. As you can see here, it is installed. So what we're gonna do now is actually, in order to make the store branded, we gotta make the look and feel of the store 100% branded. So what I mean by that is, when somebody goes to your store, they don't want to see that it's another version of Amazon or a Walmart, or that has a bunch of different options for you to choose from. They want to expect it to be basically the store that they're going to get your product and your product only. Okay, so that is the main goal here. And how are we supposed to do that? So what we need to do is actually build a home page and a product page that is designed specifically for this one product. And that includes all of the colors, the aesthetics of the website, and basically the GIFs, the pictures, the logo, everything all together needs to be intact and all looking congruent. First thing we need to do is, of course, build our logo. And with the help of this tool called Canva, also you can find the link down below and access it. So basically what it allows you to do is you can create a logo, or whether you're doing thumbnails for your videos or for advertisements, it's all free, available for you. So what you want to do first, once you get inside Canva, is first of all click on social media, and just click on, it doesn't matter which one idealistically, but you just want to find a platform where you can actually start building out your logo. We're going to add a heading, and we're going to call ours the name of our brand, Hydro Shower. And then we need to find an element, or basically a picture that we can use for our logo. Here there's plenty of options to choose from. I'm just going to go through real quick. Now it is kind of, set up in a landscape format where it actually looks like a logo when you actually are done with it. So I'm just going to expand this a little bit. So this is the actual finished product that we came out with for this brand. As you can see, it's going to be a transparent background with the logo in a light blue color, and which matches not also the text, but it should also match the rest of your website. All right, so once you have your logo designed and ready to go, what you want to do next is just go ahead and download it as a transparent PNG file. Therefore, it'll fit on the top left of your screen or center of your screen of your website, and it'll go and blend in with your website properly. So I've already got this one downloaded and ready to go. So I'm going to hop over now back to Shopify and just show you how we add it to the store. As you can see here, the Hydro Shower logo is implemented on the top left of our screen. And we'll go into more detail now in a few seconds just on the home page and such. But as you can see, the website is all matching in colors, and anything that we want really important, we'll do something that is that stands out. So it's very basic. It looks like a one product store. It is focused mainly on this one product. All right, so now I'm going to teach you guys how to actually build your homepage and product pages. Now, I've actually made it really easy for you guys. I've actually created a template that you guys can access, link down below. It's 100% free from the kindness of our hearts. But
see, we're here to help you make money today.
So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go down to your apps, and you want to install the app Pagefly. It is a free app on the App Store. So once you have it installed, it'll lead you to this page over here. What you want to do next is click on the home pages. As you can see, I've already got a home page published, but we're just going to go ahead and click on import on the top left, and then go ahead and upload the file that you downloaded from the link down below, and click I understand and click import. So once you got it imported, what you want to do next is click on it, and it'll automatically open up a home page already designed for you. You just got to fill in the pictures and replace the text with your own. The buy now button and such, you may need to just sync them with your actual product page. As you can see over here, you can just click on go to URL or go to a section, wherever you want to go. And if you click on a actual URL, you can actually click on your product that you uploaded. So this one's actually on the one product that we got on the store, the Hydro Shower Propeller. And that's all you need to do for the home page. What you want to do for your home page is, it doesn't have to be something wow or crazy that has so much information on it. You want it to be straight to the point, because at the end of the day, you want to lead people to your product page where they can actually buy your product. When you do advertise, whether it's Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, they're going to end up going to your product page anyways. So the primary focus or reason behind the homepage design is just for when the customer ends up leaving the product page to check if your website is actually legit. So therefore, they go to your homepage and they just check it out and they want to confirm a few things. So that includes your About Us or FAQs or such like that, but they end up looking at your homepage too. So now that we got to understand the homepage, again, this template is down below for you to download. So in order to go to our product page, again, it's very similar to the homepage. Click on product pages on here on the left. And as you can see, I already uploaded the template. But it's, again, the same idea. You're going to click on import. You're going to select the file. And you're going to click understand and click on import. And once you have it imported, you're going to click on it. And as you can see, you have the product page already set up for you. Now, you can rearrange things. It is totally up to you. This is just a proven example of what has made us thousands of dollars in profit, okay? And we have all of our stores running through the same exact template right now. So as you guys know, we're always here to provide you guys free information on Make Money Today. It is our primary objective to assist you guys in whatever means necessary and teach you guys the ways of how to make money. All right, guys, so once you guys have the product page done and complete, of course, like I said, you're free to edit it as much as you want. So here's the actual outcome of the website. This is our home page. Looks great. Everything looks amazing. It's got GIFs. All the lettering and sizings are all the same on the page. There's no grammar issues. Everything is congruent. You click any one of these buttons on the home page, and as you just saw, we'll go back to it. There's plenty of options for the customer to choose on to click on buy the product, or to click buy now, or discover now. So these are all ways to get your customer back onto the product page. That is the main goal. And as you can see on this product page, we got our discounts, we got our reviews and such that lead us all the way down to the bottom. You got your add to cart button, your dynamic checkout button automatically implemented in this template. Then we got a few drop downs here, as you can see, with more information on the shower head. We got our shipping policy, short description. You got your 12-month risk-free guarantee. Now you can do a 30-day, 60-day, whichever you choose to do. Then we just got a Trustpilot Trust Badge down here below. It's not mandatory again. And then here we got a few GIFs and more explanation on the product. And then here down on the bottom, we got our 100% satisfaction guaranteed, again repeated for those that scroll all the way down and don't click down to the drop-down box. So it's mentioned again with a few images with the 365-day warranty, free exchanges, 100% no money risk-back guarantees. And then here down below, like I mentioned before, we got the reviews. Now you can choose to upload reviews with images or without. It's up to you. Now the template automatically uploads the reviews for you if you choose. Like I think this one's set for looks reviews. You can also do it for Ali reviews. But the main objective of this, as you can see, is that it is aesthetically pleasing. As you can see, the headers are in the light blue. Anything that I want to highlight is in a bold color. And then so on and so forth. So take this, guys, to your advantage and utilize it on your websites when you're building your stores. This is a one product store that will generate you thousands of dollars in profit.
So once again, guys, thank you for watching our video and joining us on Make Money Today. So this is just, you know, one thing that we've got in store for you. We've got many ideas planned for you that we want to show you and teach you. Thank you for watching. Make money today.